This is traditional house. Nice view, nice place. We can see around. This is my new friend Kurniawan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice place. They using woods, just everything from woods. We can see some rooms inside. Here is no people living. Good place. Some children. And inside here is, I don't know what is this, hall. This way outside together with modern house. And this is another room. Another room. Also no one. Nice to sleep here. Good. Kurniawan house. Thank you very much. Good place. Here is also another room, but how to came here and what is this, I don't know. But it doesn't even matter. Please tell me, Kurniawan, the name of this tree, wood?
But just in Nias language.
Nyas language.
Yeah, Manava.
Manava. Manava wood.
Yes,
Manava. And rooftop. This cover for rooftop.
Rumbia in Indonesia.
Rumbia.
Rumbia.
Rumbia. Rumbia. And they changing every 2 years the cover for rooftop. 2 years. Rumbia. Like coconut.
Yeah, like coconut.
Yes, mantap. Nice place. Good for you. Thank you very much, bro.
Yes. Thank you.
Nice man, good place. Kurniawan. Welcome to Nia.